What you wearing, Lola? Wearing Amber's high heels? You practicing, Lola? Callie, you got one on too? Callie, put both of them on. You gave Kylie a pair. I don't know what happened to him. Uh-oh. Do it, Kylie. Put both of them on.
Okay.
Lola's going to put your fit.
I have droopy diapers, but I can walk in 5-inch heels.
Look at you, grin.
Come on, Lola.